Hello, Sabrina here from Cakes by Sabrina. I want to share with you this beautiful beanie I've made. I will link the bottom to how to make this. I actually got a tutorial off of YouTube. I can't remember her name right now, but I will be having that link on the bottom so you guys can go and check out her creations as well. This is just a puff beanie. It's black. It's pretty hard to see in the camera, but when I turn it to light you could see the little stitches of the puff. And I just added the flower, and the flower I got off of a tutorial too, and this flower is just so cute and very, very easy to make. So just sharing with you something very easy to make. It doesn't really take that much time, and I will be putting the links below so you guys can go and check her out and see what you can create. This is Sabrina, and please comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.